Hello everyone. So in my today's video, we will talk about the hybrid inheritance. So let me just change the name. This is my previous program. Uh, so now we'll do the modification in the same program only. Hybrid means combination of any two or more than inheritance. You combine any two, any three inheritance, that is hybrid. So what we will do is we will combine hierarchical, multi-level and single, all three into one. How? Let us check. Suppose class 1, okay, demo 1 and you are inside the class 1. Then class 2, okay, it is also like created from 1 only. So demo 2, you are class 3, you are inside. We will write here class 3 as a message. Okay, so we are done. And then we will have one more class 4, and just one more space just for clarity only. Class 4, and it is derived from our first one, that is main class, that is 1, and also from 2. And here we will also write one more function, something like this only, that is demo 4, and you are inside the class 4. Okay, so obviously using class 4 we can access demo 4, demo 1, demo 2. So first of all we will create one obj1 using the class 4. Right now we will keep this line in comment. Then obviously using object 1 we are calling object demo 1, demo 2, as well as demo 4 also we will call. And this we will keep in the comment right now, not required for right now. So we are calling only demo 1, 2 and 4. We are not calling 3 right now. Okay, so let's check what output we are getting for this. See, it is showing some error, cannot create a consistent method resolution MRO for basis 1, 2. That means what we have to do is, when you are writing derived class, you should write in a method resolution order, that is MRO. Okay, so we will write first of all 2, 1, that is first thing which we will write. Then obviously we will create the object using our last class, and then easily we can call first of all demo 1, and then we can call demo 2. Control S F5. See, you are inside class 1, you are inside class 2, and you are inside. And this concept, yes, we are going to learn in future for sure, that is MRO, that is part of OOP actually. And what it means, like ordering and everything, that also we will surely learn that time only. Okay, so right now you are inside class 1, you are inside class 2, and you are inside class 4. It is not printing this part because we have not even called also. So to do this, we require one more object. So for example, suppose here only we will remove the comment obj2, but no, of 3, this one. And using obj2, we will call demo 3. See, we are getting that. Because see here in this program, you all can see this is the derived class of this base class. And after this, for 3, they do not have further derived class. So using this only you have to create the object. But in case of 1 and in case of 2, it has derived class 4. So using that we are creating what? Object. So that is all about hybrid inheritance. Thank you.